Technology Reviews here to review this absolutely beautiful 2020 Ford F-150 FX4 Platinum. Let's do it. This video has been made possible by Empire Ford of New Bedford. They've got over 250 new vehicles on the lot and a ton of awesome Rocky Ridge Special Edition truck. I'll put all of their contact information in the description as well as their website. Go check them out. Up front we have the second generation 3.5 liter EcoBoost with 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. Towing is up to 13,200 pounds. It has the new 10-speed automatic transmission, and miles per gallon it gets 17 in the city and 23 on the highway. Check out that beautiful grille. This one is obviously equipped with the 360-degree camera. Moving around to the side, you have LED high beam, low beam. It has really awesome DRLs, or daytime running lights, and LED fog lights as well. The rims on the Platinum are very nice looking, and they are 20 inches. And this one is the 3.5 liter EcoBoost twin turbo, and this is just a shot of the right side turbo. This is the black paint color, and it has a lot of like chrome chips in the paint, or speckles so to speak. It's very nice looking both day and night. There's chrome tow hooks. This one has the spotlights on the mirrors, and pretty much anything Lariat or above will come standard with those. And this also does have the basically chrome mirror caps. Keyless entry is standard on the Platinum. When you touch the back of the door handle, it'll unlock, and then you push this button on the front to go ahead and lock it. Also standard on the truck is this keypad. The mirrors are heated. This is the FX4 package. Very nice LED taillights as well. And on the back we have this awesome Platinum, the awesome Platinum embossed in the back, and a lot of trucks are kind of copying that. I'm not going to name any specifically, but here's your backup camera and your tailgate. It is an electronic tailgate, and it is dampened, as you can see. This one does have the good old Ford step, which everyone's familiar with now. I still think they do probably the best tailgate in the industry. This one does not have a bed liner, which I kind of thought would be included in the Platinum, but on this particular one it's not. This also does have the LED box lighting, which goes off slowly, as you can see. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and hop into the 2020 Ford F-150 Platinum. As you can see on the armrest, extremely plush leather, soft touch materials. Again, this is soft touch right here. However, I mean, these armrests are very nice. They have very thick padding, very nice leather. On the doors we have this wood trim material, and I love how the handles are down here. They're not kind of, if you look at the door you really wouldn't know looking at it, but we have all of your window controls as well as side view mirrors. Those are power operated, they go in and out, and they're also heated. 3 different memory settings on the seats. Tons of indoor storage, cup holder, maps. I'm not really sure who has maps anymore, but and we even have a space underneath the door handle, so it's just pretty cool. We also have these power operating side steps here, so that's very nice. We have a Platinum placard there. These seats are super nice. They're very soft, very nice looking, they feel great, and they're very supportive. You have 4-way adjustable lumbar support. Go ahead and hop in. Just overall, the F-150 Platinum is a very nice place to spend time. Again, as I mentioned, the door panel is extraordinarily plush. On the sides we have, on both the mirrors, we have these spotlights on both sides, which is pretty neat. Beneath that we have all these standard controls for headlights, automatic headlights, etc. Beneath here we have electronically adjustable pedals and the electronic parking brake. Steering wheel has not changed since 2019 or 2018. Same basic steering wheel, very nice, wrapped in leather. Up here we have our various different information screens. And again, we don't have very much. Yeah, this is a 0 miles, so I'm not gonna have this thing on for too long. But again, we have all of our various different screens here, all the different information. So off-road status, power distribution to the different wheels and tires. We have different towing modes, we have different gauge, turbo boost, truck information for your different tires, digital speedometer, gas mileage, navigation, auto start stop, fuel economy, all sorts of different types of information. It's a very nice panel, very nice information system. Also cruise control, got adaptive cruise control. So that's it for pretty much for the gauge cluster. The speedometer and the tachometer are pretty standard across all the models. Here we have hill descent assist, or a round view camera. As you can see, right, we've got 360 view over here, and then this is your backup camera. You can turn on and off your auto start stop. Right here we have our two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive settings. Beneath that we have the trailer backup assist. That is the only, Ford is the only one to have a system like this. It is very nice. Basically, you just point this in the direction that you want the trailer to go. Very nice system if you don't know how to back up a trailer. And then this particular model also has our trailer brake controller as well. In the center console, or in the center stack here, we'll go ahead and turn the camera off. It is very responsive to the touch. We have our navigation, our climate control. These are heated and cooled leather seats, and they are massaged as well. The massage seats are available to be adjusted via the settings menu, and they're called Ford multi-contour seats. All your tuning knobs, volume knobs. Beneath that we have our, again, our heated cooled seats for both passenger and driver. Here we have a 400 watt as opposed to 150 watt in, for example, the Explorer. These are 400 watt power outlets. Very nice. You could run, I don't know, a small blender. I don't know. Some on there, not that you need it, but it's there. We have this nice wood grain look. Nice little storage cubby there, a couple USB ports. Very large cup holders. Wouldn't have a problem fitting a nice Yeti cup in there. The shift knob is very meaty. I mean, I can't really wrap my hand around it in really any way. We do have our up and down for the 10-speed automatic transmission. For the 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost motor. Go ahead and just turn it off just so we don't run out of gas. So you have that. You also have the different parking assist modes. So this guy will actually help you park and almost kind of park for you. So it's really cool. Lane keep assist. Huge center console here, just to kind of give you an idea. That's my arm. Almost like half my arm is down in here. You have this removable tray for your coins. We have this big old box, and we have one electrical outlet there. Just goes back in there. And look, you even have a place for pens. Ooh, pens. 2 pens, actually. Very nice. All right, so that is the front. We do have this very nice panoramic sunroof as well. We have the various controls for that. We can open that up if we want. But again, it's pretty cold, so I'm not going to really bother putting it back too far. Okay, we have all LED lighting. Even these guys right here, the mirrors are also LED, which is sweet. Good job, Ford. And then last cool thing up here, we also have a power window back there. Very cool. And let's go ahead and hop into the back seat and show you what that's like. All right, so I'm hopping into the back here. It does have these the floor mats back here, so these over. So again, this is how much space I have in the back seat of the Ford F-150 Crew Cab. This is where I sit, and I probably have literally about a foot. I'm not kidding. It's probably about a foot of legroom. I can really relax back here. No problems at all. I can't necessarily recline or move the seats really in any way in terms of the upright position. I can't push them back, but just in terms of the leg room, it's absolutely huge, as you can see. There's a couple other nice amenities, which I'll show you in a second. All right, so just showing you around the back seat here. We have the same nice soft touch materials here, the nice wood grain look. Handles are exactly the same. They're the same few cubby holes, same nice plush leather here. These back seats are super easy to operate, and really that's it. I mean, there's no lever to pull. There's nothing to actually do other than that. So these are actually air belts as well. These seat belts, they inflate if something were to happen. So it's another good safety feature. But again, look how easy it is to operate. I just pull it down, it's done. If you want to pull it up,
pull it up. There's no lever to pull, there's no belt to pull, anything like that. These are the easiest seats to move up and down in the industry, bar none. I really, really like the seats. And as you can see, like I said, there's tons of space back here. We got a couple cup holders here. In addition to the ones in the door, we have a power outlet. These are heated seats in the back, the two outside ones. And then a couple USB ports here on the left. And we have the same 400 watt inverter on the right. So very nice. Also AC outlets, or AC vents in the back. Overall, that's the back seat here. Let's give her a listen. She sounds surprisingly good for a V6. Alright guys, well that is the 2020 Ford F-150 Platinum. If you guys have any questions on it, if you have any comments, please leave them in the description below, or the comments below. This truck right now is available at Empire Ford of New Bedford. Those guys are awesome. Check them out. I'll leave their website in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Skyward G Reviews. Take care.